Hello there. So you want to know how you can get followers on Twitch? This is the only video you'll ever need to watch. So let's just get straight into the video. First things first, I want you to start studying about Twitch and start analyzing the people that are performing very well in Twitch. For example, there's iShowSpeed. In order for him to grow this big, he started streaming on YouTube and not on Twitch. Now he's on Twitch. He started streaming on YouTube. Well, it's not necessary that you have to start on YouTube or other platforms rather than just Twitch itself. However, the best way to attract viewers into Twitch is to have a big following on other social medias. So for example, you could be posting Reels and Instagram Reels, TikTok content, Shorts for your YouTube in order for you to go ahead and grow your platform. So for example, let me just show you. There are a lot of videos that he himself, so as you can see, Speed himself has posted, which shows the best moments of his streams, right? There are so many videos, as you can see, funniest moments, try not to laugh, best of the moments, this and that. So normally these are the things that definitely go ahead and makes you stand out on other platforms. There are other things that Twitch or iShowSpeed does in order to grow, and that is streaming both on YouTube and Twitch at the same time. As you can see, he's live right now. And what this does is it attracts him or people into his YouTube. And if there are not people here on YouTube, it attracts people on Twitch, stuff like that. Definitely makes a lot of difference for him, and it's just one person that we're taking examples of. If we look at someone else, for example, who blew up in the past, like Ninja, as you can see, you will find this not just now but even 7 years ago. So 7 years ago, Ninja had the Fortnite best moments videos. As you can see, old Ninja best moments videos. So normally posting these clips that made him famous definitely got him into a big league into the Twitch, and that is exactly the steps you can go ahead and follow in order to grow your followers on Twitch. So make sure you have a content calendar planned, make sure you have a schedule planned out to stream every single day. Yes, I said every single day. Make sure you grind out every single day, get the best moments, edit it out, cut clips, and definitely post it all over social media. At least 5 to 10 Reels and TikToks every single day in order for you to go ahead and achieve the optimum amount of growth. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you in the next one.